A shop owner placed a sign at the front door of his shop that says puppies for sale. Signs like these usually attract young children. And to no surprise, a young boy approached the owner and asked, "How much are you selling the puppies for?" The shop owner said, "Anywhere between $30 to $50. The little boy pulled out some change from his pocket and said, "I only have $2.37. Can I please look at them?" The owner smiled and whistled, and out came from the kennel a lady who walked with the young boy in the aisle to see the puppies. He saw a puppy that was considerably lagging and behind other puppies, and the little boy immediately singled out that little puppy because he was limping and lagging behind. And he asked the lady, "What's wrong with that little puppy?" The shop owner interfered and said the veterinarian had examined that little puppy and discovered that he is missing a hip socket. Therefore, he will always limp and he will always be lame. The little boy got so excited and said, "That is the puppy that I want for myself." The shop owner was really surprised and said, "You don't want that little puppy. I can give him to you for free." The little boy got so upset and looked straight at the owner's eyes and said, "I don't want you to give him to me. That little puppy is worth every bit as much as every other single puppy that you have, and I will pay full price for. In fact, I will give you $2.37, and I will pay you 50 cents every month until I have him paid for." The shop owner countered and said, "You don't want to buy this little puppy. He is never going to run and jump and play with you like other puppies." To the owner's surprise, the little boy reached down and rolled up his left pant leg and revealed badly twisted and crippled left leg that is supported by a metal brace. He looked up at the shop owner and softly replied, "Well, I don't run so well myself, and the little puppy will need someone who understands." The moral of this story is don't just be so quick to judge other people's circumstances, because they might have come from very difficult background and they have struggled. When you look at people, you don't see the process that made them who they are, but you see who they are. So always try to be patient and don't be judgmental on people until you see who they really are and where they are coming from. Thank you very much.